It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Little Blue Truck's Christmas. It's written by Alice Schertle. Illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the geese. This one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Bah, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. I love Little Blue Truck. He is so helpful and cares for his friends. Let's read that again and see all the cheer and happiness in this story. You want to? Yeah. Little Blue Truck's Christmas by Alice Schertle. Illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Oh, there's Blue Truck. Look, he looks so festive. He's got a wreath on the front with a little red bow. And he's looking right at Toad. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Blue is not the only one out and about and full of cheer. Who else can you spot? There's a red-capped bird on top of the stop sign saying hello to Blue. There's a sheep out for a sled ride being pulled by a horse. And there's a sweet little bird ice skating on the frosted lake. Every Christmas, Little Blue Truck has a delivery job to do. Blue has stopped at Toad's trees, and Toad is waving at Blue. Was he expecting him? It sure looks like it. He even has trees tagged and ready to load. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 tree, 3 tree, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Look at Toad. He is working so hard to make sure all 5 trees fit inside the bed of Blue's truck. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Look at Blue's tires. He has chains around them. This makes it easier and safer for him to drive in the snow and ice. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? There are a lot of other cars out and about. Can you spot the cars that just got a Christmas tree too? 1, 2. How about the ones with all the packages piled on top? 1, 2, 3. Honk, says the geese. This one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Goose and her gooselings live in a wood coop. Can you spot the ladder leading up to its entrance? What is the shape of the window above the door? It's a heart. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Cow and calf live in a beautiful red barn. I bet it is very cozy and warm indoors. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Check out the pig's home. It is brick with a wood fence around it and looks very festively decorated. Bah, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there's 1 green Christmas tree. Look at these goats' home. It is a multi-level climbing structure. Goats love to climb. Which level will they put the tree? Can you spot how they are getting it up to that level? 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Look, Toad is waiting for Blue. And while he is waiting, he shoveled the driveway. How kind. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. What type of house does Blue live in? Yes, it's a bright and happy garage. And his Christmas tree is outside, just to the side of his driveway. And there are presents underneath the tree already, too. There's one for Blue, and there's one for Toad. I hope you have a beautiful Christmas. Thanks for reading that with me.